Okay. So I like Mea. This is a and work for Uganda. But we also came here to tell you that the government in the power is the NRM, not UPC, not UPC. The government in the power is what? NRM. And therefore you should appreciate what is doing. And if you appreciate, and you think you can give them. If you appreciate and you think you can remain where you are, remain there, but be peaceful. Are you getting me? Yes. But work for Uganda. The constitution is very clear. Every Ugandan must contribute to national development. If you are not contributing to national development, then you are half Uganda. So all of you should ask yourselves, since this year began, how much have I contributed to national development? How many bags of beans have I produced? How many bags of maize have I produced? How many bags of sorghum have I produced? If I'm working, if I'm a civil servant, how have I supervised service delivery? Have I stolen the drugs? Or I have given them to patients? Those are the questions you should ask yourself. Before you say Museveni has failed, Honorable Betty has failed, you should also ask yourself, what have you done? If you are there seated at home and you have not even produced a bag of soccer, then you are useless Uganda. Don't criticize others. You yourself, you are failing the country. This country's GDP is calculated the total whatever each and every person has produced. Everyone, whether you are producing for eating, whether you are producing for market, they combine everything and get the total, and then they get the GDP amounts which you hear. For you, what is your contribution? So I will come here to appeal to you. As leaders, charity begins at home. Go and contribute to national development, and then you convince others to also go and contribute. This team is small, but for you, you are now trainers. We are training you as trainers. So now you are going to train what? Others. This is a kind of course of training of trainers.